Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning. Seems like partly cloudy skies right now with a little bit of clearing across the region. Temperatures in the mid-50s already, so well above normal today. We'll continue to see that warming trend for the next few days and into the long range. We're seeing above normal temperatures for the next 7 days. Going to see some rain chances once we move into late Saturday into Sunday. Otherwise, we'll see some dry conditions for today and tomorrow. Looking at our sounding this morning, our freezing level is at 10,200 feet, winds out of the south at 1,000 feet at 35 knots, so quite breezy. In the low levels and seeing our winds around 30 knots, out of the southwest from 3,000 up to 9,000, then becoming more west-southwesterly and increasing with height. At 25,000 feet, we see a peak wind at 62 knots this morning. Our current surface analysis, we have a cold front stretching across the southern plains into the Great Lakes region, as well as some rainfall out in front of that, across the Ohio Valley into the mid-Mississippi Valley. And I see a outbreak of severe storms today across the southeast states into the Arklatex region. It's highlighted by the National Severe Storms Center with moderate risk. So could be seeing tornadoes, strong winds, and hail across the southeast states today into tomorrow. But across Wallops, we just see an area of high pressure moving off the coast, giving us a slightly breezy southerly flow today and well above normal temperatures. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have that brief break in the cloud cover this morning as the high-level cloud cover has eroded as it moved towards our region. Going to continue to see this high-level cloud cover build in for this afternoon out of that southwesterly flow. I see a little bit of low-level cloud cover as well, around 3,000 to 5,000 feet across the area today. Looking at the European model and how the weather may play out the next several days, here's this afternoon, moving with high pressure in control, warm temperatures. Then Saturday, much the same. We'll see that wind become more breezy tomorrow, and then we'll see windy conditions ahead of the cold front on Saturday night into Sunday, and we'll see a cold front sweep through the region that's going to provide us with a chance of rain showers as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm Sunday morning. And Sunday afternoon, we're just expecting partly cloudy conditions, southwesterly winds, and record high temperatures. Seeing temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s across the peninsula on Sunday, so very warm temperatures for this time of year, 20 degrees above normal. And then for our Monday, we'll see a boundary sagging off to the south of our region and some disturbances moving along that. Models are still having a tough time determining whether we'll see some rainfall on Monday and Tuesday. Right now, the models have switched to seeing more rainfall on Tuesday, as we'll have an upper level disturbance moving along this frontal boundary, pushing it farther to the north, and that should provide us with some rainfall on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, we'll have a brief area high pressure built in, should provide us with another unseasonably mild day across the region as area low pressure builds over the Midwest into the Great Lakes, providing us more southerly to southwesterly flow across the region, and that will provide us as well as a warm front moving through on Wednesday night into Thursday, providing us with chances of some rain showers. And then finally, by the time we get to the end of next week, looks like the pattern will shift to more of a cooler weather pattern across the eastern portion of the United States. However, right now we'll continue to monitor that as models continue to delay or advance the time frame of this cold air mass moving the region. Looking at our current risk chart for today, seeing a high of 60 degrees. South winds at 10 to 15 knots, a gust of 23 this afternoon, so could be seeing a wind advisory this afternoon. Looks like it should stay under 25, but cannot rule out a random gust at 25 knots. Our low tonight will be only at 51 degrees. That is about 15 degrees above normal, and we'll see south winds at 8 to 13 knots. Our next 24 hours, we'll see VFR conditions across the region. As I mentioned, we'll have a good amount of upper level cloud cover, anywhere from 18 to 25,000 feet today, and that will continue on to Saturday morning with a little bit more low to mid level cloud cover, around 5,000 feet tomorrow morning, with continued upper level cirrus across the region. Our tides are normal, and looking at the weekend, Saturday will be partly to mostly cloudy, breezy and warm, a high of 64 degrees. On orange for our winds, so we should see those winds around 25 knots on Saturday. Saturday night, mostly cloudy, windy, and unseasonably warm. A chance of rain showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm, a low of 57 degrees. We'll see a red for our winds. Could see those winds gust up to 40 miles an hour or even 45 miles an hour at times Saturday night to Sunday morning. We'll see a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well as some rainfall, and can't rule out some low clouds ahead of that frontal boundary. And then Sunday morning, we'll see our best chance of rainfall. It will be breezy, and we'll have also a slight chance of thunderstorm. And by the afternoon, we'll see partly cloudy skies with record high temperatures expected across the region, seeing a high of 69 degrees here at Wallops. Inland locations could see 70 degrees on Sunday, so very warm across the region for mid-January. We'll see an orange for our precipitation and winds, and a yellow for our lightning and ceilings on Sunday. Look at the next 7 days, we'll see 60s for today, Saturday, and Sunday, with record-setting temperatures expected on Sunday. The previous record was at 61, expecting a high of 69, so we should shatter that pretty easily here at Wallops. The thunderstorm chances look like about 20 to 25% on Sunday morning, with a better chance of some rainfall at 6%. And Monday and Tuesday, really models have been waffling on where that frontal boundary sags far enough south on Monday to give us a little bit drier conditions. Right now, looks like we'll have a 40% chance of rain showers. Tuesday looks like a better chance at 60%. High temperatures in the mid upper 50s. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, we'll have a area of low pressure moving through the Great Lakes, giving us some cloudy conditions on Wednesday, a high of 57 degrees, and a 40% chance of rain showers late Wednesday into Thursday. Then Thursday looks like with that colder air mass moving in, we should see a high early in the day of 58 degrees, temperatures falling in the afternoon with partly cloudy skies. But being 7 days out, continue to monitor that timing of the cold front. Well, that'll complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.